Hey everyone, Jeff Koppel, Realtor, General Contractor. Hey, today I'm coming to you as a Realtor, and this is actually a follow-up to a video I did back in August. Uh, Basically, I was talking about the T-47 form. That's the form that we use when you're trying to use an existing survey to sell a home. For years, it's required a notary signature. So basically, you got to give it to your seller. They've got to take it to some place to get it notarized, and then they have to get it back to you. So for years, we've been asking for a form that could just be an affidavit, basically a sworn statement on the end, instead of having it notarized. Basically, that'll allow us to send electronically for electronic signature, and will not inconvenience our seller as much. Well, tell you what, there's great news, and let me show you. Let me share my screen here right quick, and just open up the document here. Okay, so here it is, T-47.1, residential real property declaration in lieu of affidavit. So this is available out there. It is Texas Realtors Form 1957. It's available out there in zip forms, and really the only hesitation for using this is if your title company or the buyer's lender has an objection to it. But as you can see, it's basically just like a sworn affidavit. Um, and you know, the sellers are just putting their information in here instead of having to get it signed in front of a notary. Any questions you guys have about that? I mean, you can direct them to your broker. It's pretty self-explanatory though, pretty easy to follow. But yeah, this is definitely something that you can send out for electronic signature now, and should save a whole lot of time. So anyway, just thought I'd share that with you guys right quick, and I think that's going to help really streamline the whole process. I think this was the last major document that we couldn't have just electronic signature on. So hopefully this will make life a lot easier for everybody. So anyway, hopefully this information was of use to everybody today. If you have any questions about anything real estate related or home maintenance, construction related, I'd be more than happy to answer your questions. Just send me your questions to Gmail, jeffkoppel@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to answer them as soon as I can get to them. Thanks and have a great day.